Richard Madeley, 66, left him a celebrity. Get me out of here. Last year after he became unwell and was rushed to hospital. The dramatic departure left his campmates and viewers alike concerned about the Good Morning Britain presenter's health. Now, looking back on Richard's exit, Frankie Bridge has told Express.co.uk how she experienced the tense moments. The Loose Women star admitted the situation was emotional and she felt gutted following the shock departure. Asked whether other campmates were worried about Richard, Frankie explained, "Of course, but we were told pretty early on that he was okay. It was very emotional. Emotions are so heightened in there." Frankie added, "I was gutted I didn't get to spend more time with him. The man tells a great story and was so warm and caring." But Frankie had her fair share of tough experiences while participating in the hit ITV reality show. The singer recounted the hardest part about taking part in the competition, which she pointed out she did not expect to bother her. Looking back on the challenges of being in the camp, Frankie said, "Apart from being away from family, the cold was really hard. I didn't realize just how cold it would be 24/7, and not knowing the time." The former S Club Juniors member added, "Something that I didn't think would bother me." But despite the downsides of her experience, she does not rule out returning to the show for the All-Stars version. Asked whether she would participate, Frankie said, "Oh Lord, I don't know. While I was in there I said never again. But never say never." Last year's series infamously saw Frankie take part in a revolting drinking trial, in which she and Naughty Boy were tasked with taking turns in singing before the other had to down their disgusting blended drink. The task was called Scary Oak and saw the stars get pelted with various objects while being covered in gunge. Horrified viewers took to Twitter to comment on the torture both campmates were being put through. Twitter user Lauren said, "This #I'm A Celeb trial is torture. Frankie is freezing, bless her. Hope she gets a warm shower." Chally75 typed, "This is torture for them. Frankie looks bly freezing." Morgan chimed in, "Seeing at Frankie Bridge shivering and crying is seriously breaking my heart. Protect that gal. Team Frankie all the way. Come on girl, you got this. #I'm A Celeb."